Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit a campaign in Google Ads after it's already been launched. This is incredibly useful when you need to adjust your budget, refine your targeting, or update your bidding strategy based on your campaign's performance. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your advertising activities. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation bar where you'll find the Campaigns menu. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all your campaign management tools live, and it's the gateway to making any changes you need. Once you click on the Campaigns menu, it will expand to reveal additional options and you'll automatically be directed to the Campaign Overview page. This page gives you a high-level snapshot of all your campaigns and their performance metrics. Now, from the expanded menu on the left, look for the option that says Campaigns and click on it. This will take you deeper into your campaign management interface where you can see more detailed information. You'll now see a comprehensive list of all the campaigns you've created displayed with their current status, whether they're active, paused, or completed. This view is essential for quickly identifying which campaign you want to work on. Find the campaign you wish to edit from this list and click on the checkbox next to it to select it. You can select multiple campaigns if needed, but for now, let's focus on one. After selecting your campaign, look for the Edit button at the top of the page and click on it. An options window will appear, and this is where the real magic happens. You'll see various options and ways to edit your campaign, giving you complete control over its configuration. From this window, you can change your daily or lifetime budgets to increase or decrease spending based on your performance goals. You can also adjust your bid strategy, whether you want to switch from manual to automated bidding or vice versa. Additionally, you'll have the option to update conversion goals to align with your current business objectives. Update customer acquisition settings to target specific audience segments. Add your campaign to a campaign group for better organization and edit your targeting parameters, including keywords to refine who sees your ads. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to edit your Google Ads campaign after launch, giving you the flexibility to optimize and adjust your advertising efforts as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.